Don't miss the once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see 3 of the world's most renowned experts on health and nutrition come together for an unprecedented panel discussion, only at the Real Truth About Health free 10-day live online conference. You won't find these health heroes all together in one place like this anywhere else on the planet. So if you've been trying to find the truth on how to live your healthiest life, join us for this phenomenal online event with acclaimed physician, global nutrition expert, and author of The Starch Solution, Dr. John McDougal, gifted clinician, popular media personality on diet and health, and the author of Vegan Nutrition, Pure and Simple, Dr. Michael Klaper, and internationally recognized expert on nutrition, medicine, and health, the executive director of Wellness Forum Health, and the author of Food Over Medicine, Pam Popper. They're doing it all for free, and they're doing it all for you. So don't miss this super panel of health leaders, only at the Real Truth About Health free 10-day live online conference, April 23rd to May 2nd, 2021. Sign up for free now.